Congratulations. Ayan. For Paolo, how was the journey of gaining weight and then losing weight for this series?
Kasi gumaksing pa siya sa mga eksena.
Hindi madali syempre. Dahil at the start of the show, upon pitching it to me, nag-ready na kagad ako to gain weight. And part of that, of course, you use other projects. You can do other projects because you're big. You're heavy. So, ang dami talagang naapektuhan eh. But you know, it's just parang iniisip ko lagi, it's for the show, para dito sa show. Tapos pagkatapos nun, kailangan ko pang magpapayat. So, doble hirap. Sabi ko, yung usapan, ganito katagal. Tapos pabawas yung mga days na binibigay na palugit sa akin. So, sabi ko, ayoko mapahiya. Gusto kong maiba yung itsura ko dito sa face na to nitong show, nung serye. So, ayun talaga, nag-crash diet ako, worked out, non-stop, rigorously. And at the same time, I was training for boxing as well para dito sa show. And that was the second. And meron pang isang phase ulit kung saan nagpapayat ulit ako for the latter part of our show. So we could complete it. So there are tatlong beses ako dito. And it was hard. Mahirap, hindi madali. But iniisip ko lang lagi, gusto ko lang talagang ibigay yung dedication ko sa show na to. And parang maiba rin. Kasi I don't think it's been done in Philippine TV before. So it's something also to inspire, you know, future actors or the younger generation. I hope they can see the effort and all the effort I gave and hope it inspires people to do better in the future.
How was your body adjusting? Hindi naman yung tipong nag-react negatively na parang yun nga, sabi mo nagka-crash diet pala.
Medyo kasi syempre kapag nag-crash diet ka, hindi ka rin naman fresh.
Right.
Baga. Pero mukhang pasok naman sa mga eksena. Dami nangyayari kay Victor. And salamat may makeup. So, ayan, mahirap. Ayun lang talaga. So, I lost a lot of weight within a small time period.
Congrats, in fairness. Kasi at least sa huli, ay, ang yummy ulit.
Hindi naman pala.